Ooh, what a nice alleyway that is.
Oop, nope, it's fucked, it's fucked, it's... Hello. What a beautiful weather. First snow, everything's white. Well, whitish. What a nice day to go do something fun. And by fun I mean to find the perfect tree. I did pick a spot that should be remote.
Ooh, what a nice alleyway that is. This seems like it was made for this. But was it? I really don't want to step into some slush and have my little white sneakers. Not so white compared to the snow, but okay, that seems good enough. Whee!
Oop, nope, it's fucked, it's fucked, it's fucked. Okay, it was not that bad. I just got scared. Because okay, it's just mushy, but there is no real water here. For which I'm glad.
Ooh, there's a lake.
That's super nice. And I don't really see, at least for now, suitable trees. These are all. But that branch, that might be fun.
That's another kind of bridge. By the way, the cat mom made me.
So sweet. Okay, I just hope I will not get impaled by no branches. That's nice. It's a good bridge. It's holding up my weight. Cool. Yeah. Why is it so fun? Why is it so fun? I have no idea. Ooh, a rock. I knew I would forget something. Cookie. I have another cookie. It's so mesmerizing. Like, it feels like I could never get tired of the quivering water. Water in motion. It's just moving. Even if it's a lake, it still has those curves on the surface. And they change, and they reflect light differently, and it seems like it's always moving. And the sound, I don't know, it's something about it. Okay, this seems worse to step on than was that bridge on the other side. It's all wobbly. I don't know how much. It's just, I barely push. Okay, we're jumping this. It's not much of a jump, but still. Oh, that's my footsteps from before. Damn, it was scary. See how deep my foot went? It like it almost got buried. Ugh, it's weird walking on this. All this hike and this weather, I don't know, it's nice, it's empty, it's quiet. I'm planning to do this more often. Bye.